How beautiful is this, y'all? Beets that have not been thinned yet, because we'll eat those as greens. Gosh, look how gorgeous they are. And those are bush peas. And they're in one of my Joe beds. And I've kept them covered, not because they need the cold protection, but it keeps the dadgum squirrels from rooting around in there and messing them up. So I've opened them up for the day. We're having family over for Easter tonight and tomorrow. And I'm going to show off, y'all. And look at its neighbor. So this is that whole vegetables. Love flowers, y'all. So right next door is a cool flower bed, which is in bloom, by the way. This is Sorrenthy. Sorry about the shadows, y'all. It's kind of like now or never. Snaps, Ami. Deer took a bite right there, dadgummit. That's annual baby's breath, amobium, feverfew, snaps. And y'all, again, I think I've shown this before. This is why this stuff has to be netted. It's already laying down because we've had so much torrential rain. That's Queen Anne's lace. And then there's calendula. So friends, and that's Tucker over there playing with mulch. This is my Joe beds. This